Hello YouTube. After a very long time I do have a new product from Banggood that was sent to me, and as you might know, I'm an affiliate now, and I have the link to this and to my previous products in the description, as well as a general link to Banggood, which will earn me some commissions if you click through that and buy something, which I would greatly appreciate. So without further ado, this came in a plastic bag, DHL plastic bag, real quick, and it came like this. And let me open it up for you. It has a nice foam padding, and as you can see, it is a vise. Here you have some screws for mounting and a pin to put in there and tighten it up. And let me take it out of here. This is solid aluminium, and I did add these legs pads to it because actually I thought I would use it on my mini mill, which I will show you in a second, and then decided I could, and I did already, did use this today on my bench also, because you can put your PCBs in there or whatever you want excuse me, or whatever you're soldering or holding or need to hold. I did used to use this one, this vise. This is a very common vise, but it's just too high. If I use this, I have my hands in the air and need soldering and whatnot, and it's not very stable either. So that's what I used to be using, and this is my new toy. The build quality is excellent. This is similar to my mini belt grinder that I showed you before, that I also got from Banggood. Thank you, Banggood, again. And this is solid aluminium also. I'm just showing it because I had some people ask me, and they sent me links, and they said, well, I found it cheaper and whatnot, and all those links were sheet metal. This is solid aluminium, and the other ones were bent sheet metal and didn't had this adjustment for the belt. So I don't know how the belt is supposed to run in the center if you cannot adjust it. So this one has the adjustment. It's very strong. Somebody asked me if you could use this to make jewelry, if it's strong enough. I don't know what he's using as metal, but I did grind HSS tool steel with it without problems. So this is just a small reminder of the quality, and this has the same build quality. You don't have sharp edges, they are all beveled. I don't know how well you will be able to see it, and it's screwed together. It's solid. It has a lead screw. It goes up to 93 millimeters. I think that was it. Let me just open it up again and show you the other sizes. Its length is 180 millimeters by 60 millimeters wide, and it is 30 millimeters exactly high without my feet. And let me see if it opens up to 93, if that was correct. Oh, actually it's more, it's 101, say 100 millimeter. You can open it up. I might print soft jaws for this, so, or even put some of this material, which is actually a mouse pad, the bottom of a mouse pad that I ripped off like this. It's very thin, and this one really does not move. Same here on the bottom of this keypad. Well, anyway, this is really solidly built, and I like the looks of it. I love aluminum, and it is very solidly built. It has 6 mounting holes and screws with T-nuts. Where are those T-nuts? This is actually made for 2020 aluminum profile. So the holes are 20 millimeters apart this way, as you can see, and I think 40 millimeters this way. So that's how you can mount it, or use it as because I'm gonna move it around. You have 6 screws. These are M5 screws and T-nuts, and like I said, this pin, or whatever you want to call it, to be able to tighten this thing up real hard if you need it that much. So if you do have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments. Like I said, I put the link in the description where you can order it. And now I'm gonna pause the video and show you where I'm gonna mount it on my CNC mill when I need it. And if I don't need it, I can take it's gonna be mounted with 4 screws. I can take it out and use it on my desk. So I'm pausing the video for a second. So here we are. This is my mini mill. You might have seen it in my other videos. Here you would normally see my CNC controller and the stepper driver. I'm waiting for new stepper driver boards. So right now it's out of commission. And this is where I'm gonna mount this. What I'm gonna do is have the CNC mill drill the holes for it, 20 apart this way and 40 apart this way, which goes right over here, and that way I will be able to mount it like this. So that's how it's gonna look like, and that should give me enough options to hold my parts. So anyway, like I said, if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments. I will gladly answer them. I don't know what else I could tell you about this. Like I said, the build quality is great. I could weight it for you, I think. Hold on. But I don't think my scale will go up to that. $300 grams. Let's see if it's under 300 or over 300. It has a nice weight to it, that's for sure. Turn this on. Okay, we are at grams. Whoop, it goes over 300, so it is over 300 grams. Well, that was it for now. I would really appreciate if you buy something from Banggood and would use my link, and that would give me a little commissions from them. And also the value got reduced by right now I can get maximum of $50 items. I used to get up to 200 and more. I don't know why that is, but that's their policy for now. If it's just me or general, I don't know. So I will look and hope to find something else up to $50 and hope that I will get that as well, so I can show it to you. I think this is something that my viewers would appreciate, like with the belt sander. And these are definitely quality made parts, and be aware of some fake parts out there. Anyhow, this was it. Thanks for watching and take care everybody, and I wish you the best for the new year 2020. Take care.